What does low inventory mean to you as a seller? For sellers, low inventory can be beneficial because it may mean that there is less competition in the market, which you can drive up demand for their property. This can lead to multiple offers and bidding wars, which can result in a higher sale price. Additionally, in a low inventory market, sellers may be able to sell their property more quickly as there are fewer options available for buyers to choose from. However, low inventory levels can be indicative of a slowdown in new construction or a decrease in the number of homeowners who are choosing to sell. This can create a challenging market for buyers who have harder time finding a property that meets their needs and budget. This can lead to a decrease in demand and a longer selling timeline for sellers. It's important for sellers to work closely with their real estate agent and stay informed about the market trends and conditions to make the most informed decisions about selling their property. So send me a DM if you're wanting to sell your house.